Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you the easiest way to learn Excel formulas, using Excel. Let's get started. To load the Excel formulas tutorial, open an Excel workbook and click on File. On this next page, if you don't see the tutorial for formulas at the top, you will have to search for it. Click on More Templates. In the search box, type in Formula Tutorial, and hit Enter. Click on the box that says, Get Started with Formulas. This will bring up a window that tells you about this tutorial. Click on Create. This will load the tutorial's start page, with each of the modules listed across the bottom. Click on Let's Go. You can now go through each module of the tutorial starting with Basics, doing math with Excel. Introduction to Functions. Average function. Minimum and max functions. Date functions. Joining text from different cells. If statements. VLOOKUP. Conditional functions. Function wizard. Fixing formula errors. The last tab in the tutorial gives you additional resources where you can learn even more about Excel. That's it for today's how-to video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.